basically have on your tether track system, there's the freestanding and the wall or column mount. We were able to utilize those systems in a majority of our factories, but there were some factories where we could not implement the column mount because the columns weren't in the correct location, or the freestanding system, as the column would be right in direct traffic of our aisleways. So working with Technical Tool Products, we were able to actually work with one of their coworkers. He was able to just visually look at the surroundings and come up with some potential ideas.
In one situation, we couldn't put a footing in, and so what we did is we modified a mast-type crane so that we could support it from overhead runways.
So in one factory, we actually have a tether track system hooked to a mast-style attachment, which saved us the hassle of new structures and new concrete, and so it worked out well.
On another system, we didn't have any space on the floor. Columns were not placed in the right places. We need to keep certain areas clear. So what we ended up doing is using the bottom of a pair of runways to install custom articulating jibs to create their fold-out systems.
This product can supply the safety that we require to give to our employees, making their day-to-day work safe, and Gorbel has done that for us.